Hello, I'm Subramani here from Citadil Construction. We are into the builders and contractors. Our company is established in 2005. So we started a career that time as a civil contractors. We have a different various projects we are into, and we are in both segment. One is contract segment and the other one is builder segment. We are not stopped and still going on and successfully, and all over Bangalore we do, and Chennai outstations, anywhere in India. We take a job and renovations, new constructions, commercial buildings, residential buildings, all we take care. So what is the message I want you to give for owners to be willing to do a dream house? For that, few clients are making some mistakes. You can say, example, someone doing some small workers, like he's a laborers, all that. They're catching hold. They're giving a job to them. There is no proper plan, ideas for them, or working designs with them, elevations, or the quality maintenance. You may thinking, some clients are thinking, not all the clients, some clients are thinking is what? If you people, if catch on someone, if you give the job, give the materials, you are happy with the, in terms of all the man. It's not that way. See, when you giving a job to labor job or anything, your cost cuttings, definitely you will be loser there. In how there is a production called in a month, this much work should complete it. That is called somewhere you are saving money or anything. When that is not be in focus or notice, your working client, anybody, any working clients, how do you will focus on your property? What is the quantity will be used? What kind of quality will be using it? All that you cannot focus. So keeping all in that, if you are talking to any of, it's not mine, I'm any of the contractors, you people like it, make sure if 1 or 2 lakh rupee, you are not supposed to see the way of, you're not illusion, because it's a dream property. It should be there for a longer time, that designs or anything. Why can't you people can try the little best into the searching of civil contractors, anybody who can really help you when you're doing mistakes or anything. They can say, sorry, we can't do this, we can do it in this way, if you do this, this is advantage. All that, anyone should be there to guide you. In the phone or any materials, or there is a lot many differential are there in the material point of view. Any materials, if you're taking any materials, if you take, there is a duplications into that, any duplications. Keeping in that, so we know that past so many years we having a continue constructions business, all that. So we know where is the failure will happen, where is the good things will happen. In terms of the material is a very must, very must to the people. Example, we putting a basic agreement with the clients, my basic price, even my company will search, even since I am a builder, the price negotiable will be in a different manner, because we are ordering per year, whatever the material quantities we are ordering. Along with that, what we do was, example, we are promising you bathroom fittings, very nominal fittings where we are promising in the document agreement. While fitting time, small different changes, we'll do it and give it to the clients. In what manner? Just other one quality upper than that. Why? Because example, 100 rupees if I'm spending, 500 rupees I'm spending for a one tap. 800 rupees tap, I will get it for 500 rupees. So this is all we will tell. If the client, if we go and buy, client will not get it. Or in a small construction people, if they wanted to go and buy it in the local dealers, they will definitely will not get it. So any materials we getting from the factory, direct factory, there is M sand, P sand, quality should be there. For the concrete, this is the material we need to use it for sand. For brickwork, we need to use it for sand. Different sand. There is a 4 quality of sand we'll use it. Concrete is a different rough and smoothness, again smooth, again rough. In that is the way we use it. Example, for the contract, footing contract or concrete, all that we put it for a rough material, M sand. Next is block work, little lesser than the rough. After plastering sand, it will be a smooth, and come to granite fixing and tile fixing, different sand we'll use it, different cement we use it. This is the number of 53, 54, 53 grade, 54 grade. In this is a grades are there. We need to use it in that way. Then it's a small things and all there. So we will focus on that very much into my engineer, my senior engineers and my junior engineers. All the peoples will take it under one roof. Even our job is in a different orientation, because my model is entirely different ideas and focus into the properties. We do it in a, how do I'll say, example, the client is wanted to go their own constructions or anything also, they definitely contact the architect to make it the designs and all. Here is what we do is all our inbuilt services. If you do constructions, and we will not be charging anything for my own clients, we don't charge for the architected structural elevation designs, all that. Keeping all in stage by stage, so we do the best. We want to give a best to the client. So keeping all that, you cannot just come down in terms of quality purpose. Anything you know, even you're very much you've known people, you know the materials or anything, there also you will be no, because you are not a professional people into the in terms of civil things. So while doing this is all, we don't buy it from the local, we all bring it from the factories, because factory, what will happen is straight away loaded and coming anything, sand or blocks also we're testing, blocks only we will using, because one company blocks only we used to use it. Steel also same thing, TMT 550 fractions we use it. So this all small things are there. Steel, you people come to know. Block, sand. It's not that. In a local sand which is there in the locally powder and dust, this is all are not supposed to use it in the property. Why? Because that is the one will give you after some time, after constructions and plastering completely everything's over, then the crack will start. Why? This is a reason, because more dust will spoil your plastering level completely. You will not come to know now. Why? Because the plastering putty is over, painting is over, your opening houses got open and you are getting into the property. So this is all our minute checking should happen. That's what I say. Anyway, you're putting so many lakh and crores for the constructions. Keeping 4-5 lakh rupee on all, 3 lakh or 4 lakh or 5 lakh or whatever the changes. If you're seeing a back end into that manner, I don't think it's a right idea. Please contact the below my contact if you any consultancy ideas or plans or any of the constructions, please contact me below. My name is Subramani.